Guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. How are you all doing? I thank the Lord for what the Lord has been doing. He has been gracious unto us. This is another uh, end of the month, and I'm going to be doing cake for Thanksgiving service on Sunday, which is the first day and the first Sunday in the month of October. So let's do it together. So this is the cake that will be icing this morning, and it's a round cake, and I'm going to be using my icing, which is my royal icing. So I'm going to just start by doing the base of it. That is crumb coating. I'm going to crumb coat. Crumb coating is to hide in all the crumb. So let's just hide in all the crumb. You need to be very careful if you're dipping it in again, because you don't need the crumb to go in. So we are done with the crumb coating. It doesn't take you more than just 2 minutes to crumb coat a cake. So now it's dry. It has rested a bit and dry, ready to go with the second coating. So your second coating is still the same thing that you do. So just put it in and it still goes the same way. It still go the same way. Just move your spin over and it gives you the same thing. Make sure you drop it and just move it, and once it's finished, just pick it up, hard more, and move it. So now do this. You are packing the excess by doing this. So you finish packing the excess, scrape up. Now you can now use, so I'm going to go in with my smoothing knife and just get everything smooth up. And pick all the excesses. Just make sure everything is covered. So I'm going to use this to just give it I'm using this edge to just give it some line. So just give it, so you see, then I want to do that on top too. See how it looks like. Just give it. Okay. So now I'm going to clean off the edges. So I'm going to clean out all these edges. Okay. So that's that about that. Now we're going to be writing on it and see. So I'm mixing my dark red. So you make sure you mix it thoroughly so that you won't have a space where there is color. So now I'm going to be mixing the purple. It's not a dusted, this is thick. Sorry, purple, yeah. So I'm not going to put a lot at a time so that I won't be so. So you see how rich the purple color is. So I'm done mixing the color. I'm going to be using this, the circle piping teeth. So I've put it in my piping. I'm going to use this first. So I'll be piping it straight because I want this dust. I want this. So straight your hands up and push, straight and push, straight and push. So this is what we want to achieve. Very close so that there won't be hole in between. Straight and push. So we're still piping, straight and push. You see this, you can just push it in. So one more, we are done. So we're done with the back, the bottom. So we're going on top now. So to my top, I'm not putting here, I'm putting here. You can see, still the same. I'm giving a space out. On top. So now the top is complete. What we are going to do is we're going to be doing this with the tip of our spoon. I'm just going to press it down and just press it down and just press it down from the middle. Make sure it's clean. You do that, you clean it up, and you go back from the middle and press it down. Go back from the middle and press it down. Pressing it to the middle, to the middle, to the middle, to the middle. Just smoothing it out to the middle, just to the middle, and to the middle. Okay, we're going to go in there again. And now we're going to be putting it inside where we smudge down by the side. And we're doing the same thing. Smudge down to the middle, to the middle, to the middle, to the middle. Smudging down to the middle, to the middle, to the middle, to the middle, to the middle. So I'm going in with this, and I'm just going to do the edges the same way I did the edges. Okay. Now we are going to pipe the down of it with our purple, but instead of it going this way, it's going this way. So it's going this way. So that's it. Now we're going to be putting flowers in. Now I'm going to be putting edible flowers in between. And voila. So this is it. This is my cake for the month of October. So this is my edible flower. All the cake made with royal icing.